10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us. And Bobby, we're expecting that wet weather later this week.
Yeah, and looking ahead, I think this is the best chance of rain we're going to get on Thursday between now and the end of the year, out through about the 31st. So let's soak it up. That is 7 p.m. on Thursday evening. Look at that rain coming in for the west coast of Florida. The main front itself is up to our north. That'll be pushing through here, I think, by midday, late morning on Friday. But the core of the cold is going to stay up to the north. Look how it's moving west to east. It's not really diving down as much to the south. And so, yeah, we'll get a little bit of cooler air behind it, but not much. So the whirl is going to be a warm stretch of weather. Now, for the rain, we're going to issue what's called a weather impact alert. That's our way here at 10 Tampa Bay of just giving you a heads up of when you need to kind of pay attention to the weather. That will affect that evening commute. At least that's the timing right now for Thursday. Rain, of course, some thunderstorms. And some of that rain will be a little bit heavy at times. Remember last time we had a good line come through? We saw 4 to 6 inches of rainfall in northern Pinellas and northwest Hillsborough. Now, it's hard to forecast that much, but I do think we could get a couple inches out of this rain coming through. All right, high pressure's in control of our weather. You see these high clouds here? They'll be streaming in here tomorrow afternoon. So we'll start sunny and dry for tomorrow. We've got a few low clouds out there right now, so we'll have a mix of sun and clouds in the morning. But by the afternoon, you'll notice more clouds than anything else. They're mainly high clouds, though, and I don't expect any rain. We're in the low to mid 60s right now. We're going to the low to mid 50s for wake-up temps. These are tomorrow morning around 7 a.m. 57 in Tampa, 55 in Plant City, about the same 56 for Sarasota, Bradenton, 58 in Clearwater to get your Wednesday started. Now, Wednesday afternoon, 78 degrees. We typically are about 74 this time of the year, but you notice the clouds starting to thicken up just a little bit. Again, I think we stay dry tomorrow, so that's not an issue. It's just some high clouds. Now, highs tomorrow. Despite the clouds getting thicker, we're looking at highs in the upper 70s to a couple spots. Look at Mulberry, Wauchula, near 80 degrees for December, the 17th for tomorrow. Now, here we go with the forecast model. This is 2 o'clock on your Wednesday. Mix of sun and clouds, light easterly winds, but you'll notice more high clouds coming in by the afternoon hours. This is around 8 o'clock in the evening. Again, still dry. Now, Thursday, this is late tomorrow night, Thursday morning, could get a sprinkle along the coast. The model's been suggesting that even for the morning commute, but this is around 9 in the morning. See a couple showers along the coast. The better chance for showers and storms will be in the evening hours as it pushes through. Now, the timing's going to change a little bit, so we will adjust that as well. It may not be all in the late afternoon hours, and we're going to have a little bit more earlier in the day. We will let you know, but Thursday is the day to watch for that. Boating for it tomorrow looks great. East winds to the north around 5 to 10 knots. 2-foot seas go down to about a foot in the afternoon. Now, temps. Warm Wednesday, Thursday. Look at the temps behind the front. Not that much cooler, and then we warm up quickly. Look at Santa. Upper 70s to near 80 degrees for Christmas here in Central Florida. And in fact, this takes us out through the end of the year. Look, most of the country. And that goes through Christmas and also through the end of the year. The Northeast has a little bit cooler air than anybody else, but you can see we do look like we're going to stay on the drier side. Again, I think Thursday's rain chance is our best chance between now and the end of the year. There's your 7-day forecast. Weather impact alert for Thursday afternoon. We'll watch the timing on that. The weekend, mid to upper 70s with sunshine. And of course, the first day of winter is Sunday, and it'll be close to 80 degrees.